Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi.
Burping Contest 2011 brought to you by Coke.
Coke.
And we are gonna chug these. And I have to chug two since she already chugged one. Ready, go. It burns! Oh, I'm like crying right now.
I think I'm good.
Go!
You go. I don't want it like towards me.
Okay.
Oh, fail. Oh my god, my stomach's like filled bubbly.
Bubbly. Yes, we're very immature. Number 2! She already drank one, by the way.
Oh my god.
Burper, you received.
Do it.
I can't do it. I can't go. It burns.
It burns. It burns. Oh, my teeth. A lot of calories, eh?
Oh my god.
Damn, we can drink.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Can you see it? I'm not ready yet. It burns. Okay.
I need food.
Round 2. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
For real champs. We already drank like 4. So the 2 together. Yeah. Ready?
Oh!
Unfoam, my dude.
Unfold.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
This is torture.
Very old lady like, right?
Wait from the foam. Oh. Oh, this is disgusting.
Red jam.
We're the
Cheers
first-
to the jam.
Cheers to the girls who actually do this.
I know. We're not afraid to.
Nope.
Taking our time with this one. I felt that one in my nose.
Okay, now I wait.
Are you done?
Yep.
I love him.